Hello creators, hope you are fine and making some awesome. Today in this lecture we will learn to make graphical face. It's easier and simple than you think. Let's start. Now start. First of all, take new document. Here we take 1000 width and 1000 height. You can take any size. Create. Now take new layer and fill it with black color. Gradient. Overlay. Okay. Now take your face picture here and place it here. Okay. Now after adjusting it, take your graphic picture and place it here over this picture and adjust it. First of all, convert it into smart object and adjust it. Okay, now press Alt and create clipping mask. Or another way, you can go right click and create clipping mask. Okay, now go to this blend and multiply it. Okay, now adjust it. Here you can see that it's not looking good. Here these eyes and face, you can adjust it by as you want. If you want to remove these cracks in the face, for this you can remove this and Alt and then take any selection tool, lasso tool I take, and then I make the rough sketch around these. Okay, it's selection and then go to edit, content aware tool. You can see here. Okay, now apply. Okay, here it automatically remove this. Okay, press Ctrl D to unselect it. Press Alt and again create clip mask and again multiply it. Okay, you can see that here the cracks will be removed. If you want these cracks also removed, you can do it. Then I'll create clip mask, and if you want to remove color from eyes, small this icon and remove these colors from the eye. Okay, here I removed from the eyes. If you want to remove color from eyes, you can remove it. It's depend on you. Here I show you the another way to remove this content aware from the content aware to these cracks like these. Take lasso tool and then first of all disable this layer mask and rasterize this layer. Okay, by pressing right click. Okay, now rough sketch here around this fill. Okay, this will be selected. Then press shift backspace or shift delete on your keyboard. This will open a fill dialog. Here you choose content aware. Okay, now press OK. You can see here it automatically removes this cracked area. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Okay, if you want more graphics here, you can take here another picture of graphics, place it here and go to edit and rotate it transform, rotate it clockwise. Okay, now adjust it. Okay, go to multiply and multiply it. Okay, here you can see that it's not looking good. To adjust it properly, go to edit and transform it horizontal. Okay, but we will adjust it. Here click and create mask and take black brush. If we take black color, it will remove the colors of our layer. Like this, we want to remove from here and here. Here our graphical face is completed. Hope you understand it. Okay, thank you so much. Here you can see another example of graphics. I adjusted. I only want to show you.